If your iPad suddenly won't charge, don't rush to replace it just yet. This issue is actually more common than you think. Maybe your iPad is stuck at 0% remaining, or your iPad is not charging but shows the lightning bolt. The issues might be different. The good news is, in many cases, this can be fixed without losing your data. In this review, we'll show you 4 practical ways to fix an iPad not charging issue, starting with the simplest ones and moving to a system-level solution. Let's dive in it right now. The first thing to check is the charging port. This is one of the most common reasons why an iPad is not charging when plugged in. Dust, lint, or small debris can block the connection and prevent the cable from sitting properly. Take a closer look inside the port. If you see dirt build up, clean it carefully using a soft, non-metal tool. Don't use anything sharp or force it. Sometimes this simple step fixes the issue immediately. If the port looks fine, the next step is forced restart. This can help if your iPad is not charging due to a temporary system glitch. Here's how to do that. On newer versions, quickly press volume up, then volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. For older versions, press and hold power and home buttons simultaneously until Apple logo appears. After the device restarts, plug it in back and check if charging resumes. Next step is to check your charging cable and power source. A damaged or low-quality cable is a very common reason why an iPad is not charging when plugged into a charger or PC. Try using an original or at least certified cable if possible. You can also connect your iPad to a computer to see if it behaves differently. If it charges from a PC but not from a wall adapter, the problem is likely with the charger. This step also helps you understand whether you are dealing with a hardware issue or something else. However, if none of the basic fixes worked, the issue might not be physical at all. It could be something happening on the system level. And that's where a tool like AnyFix can actually help you. Think of it as a kind of system repair toolkit for your iPad. Instead of guessing what went wrong, it scans and fixes common iPadOS issues that can affect charging, battery behavior, or system stability. This is especially helpful if your iPad started acting weird after an update or randomly stopped charging. What I personally like here is how simple everything feels. The interface is clean, nothing looks overwhelming, and you are guided step by step, so you don't need to be technical at all. Here is how it works. First, download and install AnyFix from the official link right in the description. Then open the utility and connect your iPad to your computer. On the main screen, choose System Repair option. After that, select iPad Problems and start the process. You will be asked to choose a repair mode. In most cases, Standard Repair is the best option because it's designed specifically to fix common system issues without deleting your data. Then the software will guide you how to enter Recovery Mode or DFU mode. The application literally shows you what buttons to press. After that, AnyFix will automatically download the correct firmware and start system repair. So please be patient as it will take just a couple of minutes. Once everything is done, your iPad will reboot automatically, and if the issue was caused by a system glitch, the charging should return to normal. Well, it's just so simple as that. Let's quickly recap. If your iPad is not charging, don't panic. Start with the basics. Clean the port, restart the device, and check your cable and power source. And if the issue looks deeper, you can try AnyFix as a non-data system loss repair solution. We'll leave the official link to download the application in the description below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any more useful tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.